Bluetooth device not connecting? Here are some tips to try to fix things and get connected. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. To check your PC, select the Action Center on the right side of the taskbar. If Bluetooth is turned off, select Bluetooth to turn it on. Next, check your Bluetooth device. Turn on your device. Make sure the battery is charged, or make sure the batteries are new. Verify that your PC is in range, and that there's no interference from USB 3 devices plugged in. Then, turn off your Bluetooth device, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. If everything's working, your Bluetooth device should connect automatically. If you've checked to make sure your Bluetooth device is turned on, and your PC has Bluetooth turned on, but they're still not connecting, here are a few more things to check. Select the Action Center, and make sure airplane mode is off. Next, search for Bluetooth. Then select Bluetooth and other devices settings. Turn off Bluetooth. Wait a few seconds. Then turn it back on. If you don't see a Bluetooth setting, or you can't turn it off or on, there might be a problem with your drivers. If turning the Bluetooth device off and on doesn't work, select the device you're trying to connect. Then, select Remove Device. Add the device again by selecting Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Remember to put your device in pairing mode. If you aren't sure how to do this, check your manufacturer's instructions. Need more help? Troubleshoot Bluetooth issues in the Get Help app.